Hello and welcome. This is a supplement video for the Introduction to Scripts video. We look at the Insert button and dialog. Sometimes you need to add more R statements in an existing script. For this, you can use the Insert button in the script window. This opens a dialog that helps with commonly used statements. Press the New button, then the Insert button. Choose the Commands tab and the List Datasets radio button. Select the DS Labs package from the drop-down menu. Then press either OK or to Script. In this dialog, they are the same thing. This puts a new statement into the current script window. It is currently just a 2-line script, but it should work. So, press the Run or the Run All button. This time there is just one command or statement, so they do the same thing. The results are in the output window. This shows the 12th dataset is indeed one called murders. Next, we put them into R-Instat, which will provide a clearer display you can work on. Return to the Insert dialog again, click the Into checkbox and type Data. Then press OK or to Script again. This has now added 2 statements into the R script. Mark the 2 last statements, that's the 4 lines, and press Run again. This produces a more convenient display of the information. It shows something about each of the datasets in the DS Labs package. For example, the murders data has 5 columns and 51 rows, so 1 for each US state. Once you have a script, making a small change can also yield impressive results, and very quickly. There is a special R package called datasets. This time, just type datasets instead of DS Labs into the second of the recent 4 lines of the script file. Mark the 4 lines again and press Run or use Ctrl-Enter. You see that the new sheet has 104 rows, so the datasets package has 104 datasets. Some examples have become extremely popular to illustrate data analysis, particularly the MTCAS data. In the next presentation, we make use of the AggreDat package. Change datasets into AggreDat and repeat the operation. This package has 355 sets of data. The next presentation uses some of the scripts that show how to analyze those data. Next, we look at the log file. Lastly, in this tour of different routes to scripts, did you notice the word log on the left of the script window? Click on the log tab and scroll through a few lines. While you're working, the log file quietly keeps a record of all the R statements you have done in the current R-Instat session. Notice it is gray, unlike the other windows. You can't tweak or add or delete anything in this window. Otherwise, it will not be a complete record. The Save option is available. Once you have analyzed the data, perhaps produced some tables and graphs, it is often useful to save the log file. Suppose 6 months later, someone questions a table or graph you produced asking, "How exactly did you do that? Because I get something different." If you have the log file, then there is a record of exactly how you got your results. Finally, if you did want to go back and edit or reuse part of the log file, then you can always copy what you need and paste it into a script.